Hello, everybody. I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for today. Sorry, I have been irregular for the forecasts because I've been busy. So, what I've decided now, instead of giving a daily analysis, I'll try to give uh, more than one analysis every week, like maybe two or three, or if not, then at least once in a week. Uh, so let's do today's analysis. Today is the weekend, and we're going. The trading day has started in UK. The date will change after 33 minutes, according to this clock here on my computer. So we're heading towards the first day of trading, which is Monday, and the trading day has already started. So starting with Forex Trading, let's start. Let's see what is the news today. Heavy impact news for gold we're looking for, and the news we have 3 p.m. news, ISM services PMI. The rest is the other remaining pairs, but because we trade in gold, so we're only interested in USD news. The low impact at 3 p.m. as well, which we're not interested. 245, there's a low impact, not much of interest. So mainly the news 3 p.m. ISM services PM, that's where we are interested in. And let's see what is the forecast, 52.6, and the previous was 51.9. And it says actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So if actual news greater than is, meaning it's positive, then it's good for currency. And what the actually ISM services is, PMI is, level of our diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers, excluding the manufacturing and the industry. So let's see what it brings us to us. And now let's start with Dixie. Dixie is bullish, as you can see. And weekly, it has made this candlestick pattern, and it clearly can be seen this candlestick pattern also is indecision candlestick pattern, but a lot of times, most of the time, in fact, it goes down. So as you can see here, we go to 3-day or daily. There's a rejection candle here in 3-day. So it's possible that it will come to this level before it make another move. And also, if you go to daily, look what you can see here. And there's a level here as well. So let's see what can happen. So that's as far as the Dixie is concerned, and 4 hours going to the upside. But however, you can easily bounce from down to the downside from this level or even this level. Because it has broken this level. Now it's possible that it's just having a retest here and then go to the downside. So overall, what is we can expect the Dixie to go down. Now let's correlate the gold with it. How the gold can move. The gold daily shows weekly. Let's start weekly. Weekly, you know that it has broken this level and it retested this level as well. It's possible to retest again on weekly. Why? Because this candlestick pattern, although it's kind of, I would say it's the rejection from the downside as well. So it's possible that this rejection happens to the upside. So it's possible. And why is possible? Because look, there's a level here, this level. And this level has been respected, and the market went up. And there's another level here. Market kept in with these two levels. And what initially happened, as you can see, market broke this level where the white lines are. Then it broke to the upside, and even before that, this level was broken, and the market come down, retested it, and then came back again. Now retesting again. Now, before the market actually come here, this candlestick pattern is possible to make a move up to this level. We can see in smaller time frame what's happening here. Also, RSI is nearly just is very low, and half an hour. Let's do half an hour. We might have a good picture. And half an hour, you can see this. That it has a rejection from here, and now this level it may come up to here before it moves to the downside. So this is the situation at the moment in half an hour. So any good trades will be if this level is broken with a good evidence and then retest, and then we can buy on the retest of this level to the upside or rejection to the downside from here. Rejection here this way, or if it's this broken, then on retest we can buy, and here we can sell on. That's a possibility. Now, as you can see, let's make it 1 hour chart, and this level was broken. Now, if this level is retested, and we can buy on the retest of retest, or we can sell, or if it's broken to the upside, we can expect testing of this level. If this is broken, the next level would be this, and so on. These are the levels. But however, depending on how the market goes, and with the movement of Dixie as well, and probably news as well, we can definitely expect the gold to come to this level. So that's the high probability in my eyes. But however, this has to be combined with more other probabilities, with Dixie as well as the news, what we get news tomorrow. So if the news is positive, we can expect this this level to be tested. And 1935, as you know, probably previously, that it was a good level. So that's what the situation is at the moment. And if this level is broken, obviously we got this next level. And going to weekly, we got this level as well. So let's see. So we only can be reactive in this market. We only can analyze, but however, we have to be react according to the situation. And that's the purpose of analysis, that react accordingly. Don't just blindly put the trades on. So you have to see the evidence and make sure your probabilities are, your probabilities are right for the trade. And more evidence means more powerful trades and more risk. And that's it, guys. I hope it is helpful. I'll see you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.